Why hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and today is Go Tell Aunt Rhody on viola. If you know the lyrics, this is a terrifying song, but it is a beautiful melody on its own. And there's no lyrics in the Suzuki book, so which is good for us. All right, and if you do know the lyrics, you can see I'm on theme. I'm wearing gray. Anyway, so see below for lyrics if you're interested or curious. All right, so Go Tell Aunt Rhody. This one is a nice song because it follows the same kind of pattern as Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Okay, we have an A, B, A. So that means that first and third lines are the same, okay? And then the middle line has an echo as well, just like Twinkle. So it's kind of nice if you think about it that way, okay? All right, so here we go. I'm going to split the first line up into two parts, right? So here we go. I'm going to sing the first half of it. And here it is. 2 2 1 D D 1 1 2 1 D. Okay? So, how do we do that on a viola? So here we go. We're on the D string. 1 2. Get your fingers ready. Okay? So we're starting on D string 2. Here we go. 2 2 1 D D 1 1 2 1 D. You got that? Let's try it. You can either do it in guitar style, or I'm gonna do it up here. Here we go. Thumbs and pointer fingers. 1 2. Ready on the D string. Ready. Go. 2 2 1 D D 1 1 2 1 D. Okay. Okay. Replay. Go back if you need to. We're going on. It's the second half of line 1. Okay. It's gonna be A 3 2 2 1 D 1 2 D. Okay. So again, if you want to, let's do it up here first so you can see it. Open A starting, and then all the rest on the D string. So it's going to be A 3 2 2 1 D 1 2 D. So let's just do that second part. Pizzicato. You can do it guitar style or up here. Ready, go. A 3 2 2 1 D 1 2 D. So now let's put the whole first line together. So we're going to do 2 2 1 D D 1 1 2 1 D. A 3 2 2 1 D 1 2 D. Here we go. Ready, go. 2 2 1 D D 1 1 2 1 D. A 3 2 2 1 D 1 2 D. Okay, so again, go back, practice that in its entirety. Are we ready for the second line? Here we go. All right. Second line, it's kind of interesting because it goes opposite, okay? So instead of going 2 2 1 D, instead of going down, we go 2 2 3 A, so we go up. It's kind of interesting. So let me sing the first half of it, okay? 2 2 3 A 1 1 A 3 2. Oop. Okay, let's try it. I'm going to show you what it looks like here. We're going to do 1 2. Here on the D string. 2 2 3 A 1 1 A 3 2. Okay, let's try plucking that. Ready, go. 2 2 3 A 1 1 A 3 2. Okay, fine. That was our first part of the second line, so it's the loud part. And then we have an echo. It's similar, but it's just slightly different at the end, okay? It's going to be 2 2 3 A 1 1 A. Just ends with an A, okay? So let's see how we pluck that second half of the second line. It's going to be D string 2 2 2 3 A 1 1 A. Okay, let's try plucking that. Ready, go. 2 2 3 A 1 1 A. Okay, so again, rewind, go back. We're gonna go to the whole second line now. 2 2 3 A 1 1 A 3 2. 2 2 3 A 1 1 A. Here we go. Second line. Ready, go. 2 2 3 A 1 1 A 3 2. Shh. 2 2 3 A 1 1 A. Ooh, beautiful. Okay, so now we already know the last line, so let's just pluck it. Okay, boss power. Remember, here we go. Let's do the last line, which is the same as the first line. Ready, go. 2 2 1 D D all together, we're going to get this done, right? So from the beginning all the way to the end, line 1, 2, and 3, Rhody sandwich, pizzicato, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 1, D, D, 1, 1, 2, 1, D, A, 3, 2, 2, 1, D, 1, 2, D. Second line. 2, 2, 3, A, 1, 1, A, 3, 2, echo. 2, 2, 3, A, 1, 1, A. Last line. 2, 2, 1, D, D, 1, 1, 2, 1, D, A, 3, 2, 2, 1, D, 1, 2, D. Whew, okay, made it. Time for the bow. All right, so get your bow ready. Instruments up. Use smooth bows for this. We're kind of right in the middle of the bow, going back and forth, opening and closing your elbow. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 1, D, D, 1, 1, 2, 1, D, A, 3, 2, 2, 1, D, 1, 2, D, 2, 2, 3, A, 1, 1, A, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, A, 1, 1, A. Loud. 2, 2, 1, D, D, 1, 1, 2, 1, D, A, 3, 2, 2, 1, D, 1, 2, D. Okay, you made it. All right, so again, go back, practice it several times. Again, check out the lyrics below if you're interested or intrigued. But next is going to be the playthrough with a slow performance beat and a fast performance beat. All right, I'll see you there. Bye.